So I was on another mission today to get that 6x4 tarpaulin over the top of the polytunnel on my own in windy weather, and I got there in the end. Now it's not exactly 6x4, it's the bloody Chinese for you, isn't it? But it'll do. It's probably about 5.8, but it covers the seam that's leaking. In all honesty, I don't expect it to last more than a year. I'd be lucky to get a year out of it, I reckon. Purely, it feels cheap and cheerful. We shall see. The first good wind that we get over here, we see if it gets ripped off. If it does, I'll go back to the glue in the seam idea. But I needed to get it on because I want to get this, at least one of the solar panels up. And to do that, I knew I'd have to fix the aluminium bar on top of the white sheet. So at least I can now get round to fixing the solar panel up, which I need, because not only is it then going to power that NFT system and the drip system at the end there, the Wilma, I'm also going to be putting a diesel heater in and running some tubing along so we can spread the heat. We'll see how we go with it. We'll run it on the lowest setting, see how warm it keeps, and also how much diesel I use. And I've seen a guy on YouTube actually that put 2 tanks on a diesel heater, one with diesel, one with cheap oil. Funnily enough, I know where I can get a load of cheap oil from. So he'd start the diesel heater up on diesel, let it get up to heat, and then switch it over onto the vegetable oil, and it run okay. So that's another option, just so that we can plant the lettuce and the strawberries in January, and also the tomatoes, of course. Anyway, more to follow. I'm going to put the feet on that NFT system out them blocks of wood, drill some holes, just make it a bit more sturdy. So that's the extra feet done on the NFT system, just to make it a bit more stable. Oops, so it won't fall off the pallet. And when I drilled the holes in the system, I made sure just to give it a little bit of a slope going towards where the reservoir is going to be. Just to help the water go down. But I'm happy with that for the moment. I might put the aluminium bars on. Let's have a sit down and a vape break.